Hey, financial futures community! Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into some groundbreaking news that could reshape the landscape of Social Security benefits. I've got all the details on a potential $200 raise, and we're going to compare it with the traditional COLA, so let's get right into it. Before we delve into the $200 raise, make sure to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. I'm here every day, breaking down the latest financial news and advocating for you. Your support means the world, so let's jump into this fascinating topic. Now, we've all heard about the $200 raise proposed in the Social Security Expansion Act. It's a figure that has sparked a lot of excitement among beneficiaries. But here's the twist: what if this $200 raise could potentially replace the annual cost of living adjustment, COLA? It might sound surprising, but let's break down the numbers and see if it makes sense. To understand this better, let's look at the past. The COLA for 2023 was 8.7%, translating to an average raise of $144 per month for beneficiaries. In 2024, with a 3.2% COLA, the average monthly raise is $54. If you add these up, it's $198, just $2 short of the proposed $200 raise. Here's where it gets interesting. If we compare the $200 raise to the compounded COLAs over the years, it might actually balance out in the long run. Social Security would be at a break-even point, and going forward, the $200 raise could be more beneficial for both beneficiaries and the Social Security Trust Fund. However, we must remember that these calculations are based on averages. Not everyone receives an average benefit. What about those who receive benefits below the average? The $200 raise could be a significant boost for them, compared to the percentage-based COLA. So, is the $200 raise a game changer? It depends on how you look at it. There's a lot to consider, from short-term gains to potential long-term benefits. I'm curious to hear your thoughts on this, so drop a comment below. And of course, don't forget to subscribe, share this video, and also check out other insightful content on the channel. Today's video is packed with crucial information for Social Security recipients. If you're part of SSI, SSA, SSDI, retired railroad, representative pay, or survivors, this video is a must-watch. We're covering the latest updates, how to check your cost of living adjustment, COLA, and the scams you need to be wary of. But before we dive in, if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that button and turn on notifications for the latest updates. Now, let's get started. First things first, if you haven't received your COLA letter, and let's face it, some of you might be in that boat, here's what you need to do. Don't panic, I've got you covered. You can check your new benefits amount by logging into your My Social Security account. It's quick and easy. If you haven't signed up for it yet, no worries, I'll guide you through the steps shortly. Your benefits are crucial, and we'll make sure you have all the info you need. Now, let's talk about setting up your My Social Security account. If you're not already signed up, follow the link I've provided in the description. Don't be thrown off if you don't see create an account right away. Scroll down a bit, and you'll find it. I've been there, so I get it. Once you're set up, you'll have access to all your essential Social Security details, and you won't have to rely solely on mailed letters. Scams are unfortunately part of the game, especially when it comes to your money. In a moment, we'll discuss 4 more scams you need to watch out for. But if you ever receive a call claiming issues with your Social Security number, threats of legal actions, or offers to increase benefits, hang up immediately. Remember, the Social Security Administration rarely makes threatening calls. I'll also share a link in the description to report any scam numbers directly. If, unfortunately, you've fallen victim to a scam, don't be embarrassed. Report it immediately. The Social Security Administration has resources to help you. You can contact them at the number provided in the article, and they will guide you through the process. Your financial security is crucial, and we're here to ensure you have the right tools to protect yourself. Alright, Financial Futures community, that wraps up our deep dive into the latest Social Security updates, how to check your COLA, and staying vigilant against scams. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with friends and family, and drop your thoughts in the comments below. Stay informed, stay secure, and until next time, signing off. Catch you in next video. Thanks for being part of the Financial Futures community. Your engagement and feedback drive the conversation, and I'm here to provide you with the information you need. Stay tuned for more updates, and until next time, take care.